It's a pleasure to join International Dogra Society's first anniversary celebrations. I wish them a great success in the future. I feel proud to be associated with them, and I have attended numerous functions and the seminars organized by them, particularly the historical facts to provide to the society. Those lectures were great success, but I wish the society a best of luck in the future and their cooperation and participation in bringing J&K and Britain and the diaspora together to promote peace and equality. Best of luck, International Dogra Society.